Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the background noise of your video on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my project on my InShot application, and for example, I'm going to denoise this video or reduce the background noise of this video. If we want to denoise our video, first of all, we need to click on this volume option. Then here, we just need to click on denoise, and I'm going to show you the result. This is the result, and I'm going to show you the before and after. This is before I denoise it, and this is after I denoise it. And I know that it doesn't totally remove the background noise of this video, but at least it sounds better. And if you are still not satisfied with the result, you can save this video first. You just need to click on the save button, and you're going to save this video to your device. Then you can create new project on your InShot. You can import the video you have just saved, and we can denoise it again. We can denoise it many times until we get the best result. Alright guys, and that's how we can reduce the background noise of our video on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.